Hi, let me show you how to easily create a commercial invoice. As an example, let's say that I'm an exporter based in the USA and I'm shipping a 20-foot container of furniture products to my customer in Australia. So at the top, I select my exporter. I can select from my pre-saved list or click Create New to create and save new company details. Let's select ABC Exports. Then I select the consignee from my list. Please note that not all fields are required on this document. Method of dispatch by sea. Type of shipment is FCL. And here I can enter the vessel and voyage number. Port of loading is at Long Beach. Port of discharge, Sydney. I can enter the date of departure and the final destination. On the right side, I can enter my invoice numbers and dates. I can enter the bill of lading or buyer reference or internal reference if I need to. Country of origin, United States. Country of final destination, Australia. Terms of payment, let's say 50% deposit, balance upon bill of lading. And enter the marine insurance number or letter of credit number here. Then I enter the products into my invoice. I can select the products from my pre-saved list or click Create New to add and save new products. When I select a product, all of the information will show in the invoice. I just enter the quantity. And add more products as required. At the bottom, I can add any additional charges here. This may be for any additional freight or other surcharges. On the left, I can add any additional information. Let's say 20 days lead time after deposit. I can add any bank details here. Then I select the incoterm, FOB at Long Beach, and select the currency, US dollars. Then I sign and date the document here. Place of issue, Long Beach. Date. Signatory company is my company. Name of authorized signatory is my name. I can sign the document with my mouse here, or if I have already created my profile signature, I just click Use Profile Signature. I reconfirm the document number at the top, and that's it. Click Save and the document will be created. On the left here, I can preview the PDF document and it will show exactly as I created it on my screen. I can click here to download or print the PDF document.